guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I got this very cute and fluffy wash and go using only one black owned brand. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first product that I did use is their shampoo and their conditioner. I will be using products from Curl Mix. Their wash and go kit is super easy to follow. It literally has the numbers on it, so there's no confusion, anything like that. You will know exactly what you need to use and when you need to use it. So as you can see right here, I'm going in with their moisturizer, and you guys, I really like this moisturizer. It seeps into my hair. It already gives me some definition that I love, and when that happens, I know that my hair really likes the product. So next I will be going in with their flaxseed gel for my styler to really get those curls popping. And as y'all know, I love a good defined but also moisturized wash and go. So right here I am going in with some setting mousse, and this is also from Curl Mix as well. It is from another line that they had. I just wanted to go ahead and throw that on my hair for some extra fluffiness. I like to go in with some mousse from time to time, so that's what I'm doing right here. As you can see, the curls are popping. So yes, for this month I'm really enjoying, supporting black owned businesses, and Curl Mix is definitely a black owned business that I love to work with because their products are so moisturizing. They really work for my hair, and once again, they're a black owned business. Throughout these years, it's really been challenging working with my natural hair, but I will not change it for the world. I really have become to enjoy and love my natural hair, and I don't think I will ever go back to being relaxed. I just love the fact that I can do my own hair, style it how I want, really take care of it and just go along in the journey. If you guys have been following me for a while, you've seen how my hair has transformed. I've cut it, I've dyed it, I've just went through it. So I really like using black owned brands to help support my hair and to keep it really healthy. And this month, it's really important to support Black history, black brands, and not just this month but any month. I feel like you guys should always be out supporting however you can. I really love supporting black owned brands because I am a black girl, and that's just really important to me. I also did want to mention that Curl Mix do offer master classes to help you achieve your perfect wash and go. So you can head over to their websites to check out when they will be hosting them. I will leave everything down below in the description box. And I also want to thank Curl Mix for sponsoring today's video. Alright, so it's the next day. I did diffuse my hair like normally, and here is how my hair is looking. So it's looking really cute, really defined. So now I'm going in with some Shine Mist from the same line that I used the setting mousse from, just to spruce up my hair, make it look nice and moisturized and glistening and all of that good stuff. And I like to do this to kind of fluff out the curls as well. So that's what I'm doing right here. And I also will be going in with my pick to fluff out mainly my right side because y'all know it shrinks up a little bit more than my left side, so I'm going to be fluffing that out, making it even so it can look all nice and cute. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to check out the links in the description box and to sign up for their masterclass that they host every month. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.